dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Dear learners, I have a surprise for you. Do you want to know what it is? For that, you will have to answer a riddle. So, are you ready? Okay, the riddle goes like this. It is small. It is colorful. It can fly. It has butter in it, but you cannot eat it. What is it? Yes, you guessed it right. It is a butterfly. Look how beautiful it is. Students, we all know that butterfly loves to fly. It flies and sits on my hand, on my shoulder and on my table too. The butterfly flies and flies. Hey, where did this butterfly sit now? Correct, on the Ganit Mala, or we can also call it Ginladi. Students, we all know what is Ganit Mala. Do you remember? We have already used Ginladi in the first grade. Dear kids, Ginladi is a string of different colored beads. We use it for counting numbers. Students, can you tell from the beginning till the butterfly how many beads are there? I am sure you all can do that. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. Now, if you count another color beads, it will also be 110. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, we have beads in tens in our Ganit Mala. Let's count again. 10, 20, 21 and 22. So, dear children, from the beginning till the butterfly, there are 22 beads. The butterfly loves to fly. See, now it is sitting on the number strip. We all know that butterflies are attracted to bright flowers. Dear learners, can you tell me how many steps forward the butterfly will have to move to reach the flower? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, the butterfly moves 6 steps forward to reach the flower. Next, we have a parrot. Look how colorful it is, isn't it? Students, as you see, the parrot is sitting on number 90. Now, the parrot moves 2 steps backward. It reaches at number 88. 5 steps forward to reach number 93. And again, parrot moved 3 steps backward. Which number will it reach now? Yes, very good. The parrot reaches at number 90 again. Isn't it fun to move backward, forward and then arriving at the same number? You can also try this fun activity with your friends. Hey, can you hear some sound? I think there is a frog in our class. Yes, we have a frog. Look how jumpy the frog. The frog is jumping. Hey, the frog is jumping on a number line. Students, do you know what is number line? Let me tell you. A number line is a long straight line with markings at equal intervals to denote the numbers. On the number line shown to you, numbers from 0 to 16 are marked at equal distances. Dear kids, look, the frog is jumping from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and so on. Students, do you observe any pattern here? Yes, you are right. The frog is jumping in the steps of 2. 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Oh wow! The frog has grown up. Look, it is jumping high. Earlier, the frog was jumping in twos and now the frog is jumping in tens. It is jumping from 50 to 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Dear students, you can draw your own number line on the ground and jump on it in twos, threes, fives and sevens. You can try it with your friends too. I'm sure you all will enjoy it. Dear learners, you all know how to count numbers from 1 to 100, right? That's good. But can you skip count by 2? No? Don't worry, I will show you. Students, this is a number chart. As you can see, numbers from 1 to 100 are written on it. Now, I will sing a song and skip count by twos. Will you sing along with me? Good. Let's start. When we skip count by twos, we start with the number 2. Skip every other number as you go. That's how you skip count by twos. Yeah, that's how you skip count by twos. Come, let us skip count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Dear kids, did you see that I started with number 2 and then skipped one number as I counted? That's how we skip count by twos, by skipping one number. On the number chart, we used skip counting in 2 and drew a circle on the numbers. Dear children, let's skip counting by 5 and draw triangles on the numbers in the number chart. It goes like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Dear learners, can you tell the numbers that are common to the skips in 2s and 5s? I'm sure you all can do that. The numbers which have circles on them are skip count by 2s and the numbers which have triangles on them are skip count by 5s. So, the numbers that have both circles and triangles are common to the skips in 2s and 5s. Look, the numbers that are common to the skips in 2s and 5s are colored in green. They are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Similarly, you can find common numbers in the skips of 2s, 3s and 5s. Dear kids, do you remember we had a frog in our class? The frog was jumping forward from one number to another. Do you know it can jump backward too? Come, let's see. Look, the frog is jumping backward on the number line. I hope by looking at the number line, you all can tell me what comes just before 10. Yes, it's 9. 9 comes just before 10. And what comes just before 9? Well done kids. 8 comes just before 9. Again, the grown-up frog has arrived. Now, it is taking giant leaps and that too in a backward direction. It jumps from 100 to 80, 80 to 60, 40 and 20. Dear learners, take a look at the numbers colored green in the number chart. Can you say numbers along with me? Say aloud. 1, 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89 and 100. Students, do you see any pattern here? Yes, you are right. There is a gap of 11 numbers between every two numbers. The numbers are in skips of 11. Hey kids, I have made a number window for you. This is a number window. Can you see me through it? I can see you too. Students, this window can also be used for playing. Let's play a game. I will place this number window on the number chart and you have to hunt for the hidden numbers. Are you excited? I'm sure you all are excited to play this game. Let's begin. Students, as you know, this is a number chart and this is a number window. If the center of the window is placed on 28, which number will be on the top of it? Can you guess the number? No? There is a hint for you. The number is 10 less than 28. You can count it using Ganit Mala. Can you tell it now? Yes, you are right. The number on the top of 28 is 18. Similarly, the number below 28 is 10 more than 28. That is 38. The number on the right is 1 more than 28. That is 29. And the number on the left is 1 less than 28. That is 27. Isn't the game interesting? Students, let us try it with another number. If I place the number window like this, number 46 will be at the center, right? So the number on the top of it is, yes, very good, it is 36, 10 less than 46. The number on the right of it is 47, 1 more than 46. The number on the left of it is 45, 1 less than 46. And the number below 46 is 56, 10 more than 46. Dear learners, I hope you enjoyed playing the game. In this way, you can design your own number window and play this game in your class with your friends and also at your home with your brothers and sisters. Dear kids, let's see how much we have learned today. You might be seeing few questions on the screen. You have to read them carefully and choose the correct answer. So, are you ready? Let's start with the first question. First question is, how many steps does the honeybee move forward to reach the red flower? Students, look at the number strip, count the steps and tick on the correct option. Yes, you are right. 8 is the correct answer. That is option B. Now, let's move to the next question. Question second. What comes just before 16? Observe the number line and tell the correct answer. Correct. The answer is 15. Again, option B. 15 comes just before 16. Now, the third and last question. Fill the missing number. Do you remember we have done an activity of the number window? I'm sure you all do. There is a number window given to you in which one number is missing. Think and identify the missing number. Very good. It is 27. Option A is the correct answer. Well done kids, you have done a great job. Dear learners, now it's time to summarize today's session. In this chapter, we have discussed forward counting, backward counting, skip counting, patterns in numbers and missing numbers. Now, it is time to say goodbye to you. But before going, I have an interesting assignment for you. I'm sure you all love to play bingo. This is a 3 into 3 bingo grid. Random numbers from 1 to 100 are written in it. There are 9 numbers in the grid for which 9 different clues are given to you. Dear students, you have to solve given clue cards to get a number on the bingo chart. Solve the clue and cross the number you get. Continue this till you cross all the numbers. Dear children, with this we come to the end of our session. I do not doubt that you will all agree with me. The title of the lesson, Fun with Numbers, is quite appropriate. Learning numbers is so much fun, isn't it? I'm sure you all had a great time while learning today. Thank you all. Have a good day ahead.